समझ लीजिए, सिंपल. Okay, so today we going to start the remaining part of the array method. So anyone who had not completed the array, means had everyone gone through that or not? Whatever we had discussed yesterday. So is that clear? Hello? So is that clear? No issue. Please just speak. Okay, don't speak. Now I will not ask. Is my voice audible or not?
Nah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, so yesterday we had looked over different means how to create array, how to create object, what are the difference between the array and what are the difference between object. Means we had compared between both, and we had seen one thing that array and object both are going to hold data, correct? Both will contain data, but there was some difference between array, means the collection of data inside array, and the collection of data with object. Can anyone tell me what was the difference in both the cases? Both are known as for the collecting data, but what is difference in both case?
Sir, in object, we will write in curly braces,
Okay,
and when we go with the array, we go
yeah,
square brackets.
correct. Next,
Next
that's
is
fine.
this is in key and value. Object is a
Correct.
key and value pair.
Yeah, and array,
Array, sir. Array no.
array is with the
Sir,
index
already
value.
number, sir. Index value number.
Do one thing, Abhishek and Roshan, just come with separate group. Remaining ball will not speak. Don't worry. We're going to start one new group because
Sir.
everybody is silent a bit.
Sir.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me. If nobody is speaking, then why we will go with this much crowd? It will be fine. We can go in the separate. Who have not idea this array and object, but nobody had spoken. Okay. If this will be second time, we will go in the separate group. That's why not speaks. Okay, mic issue. Okay, Praful, you have mic issue, but remaining. Okay, so array, the basic difference between the array, let's create one array. So a student data, STU, tell how to create array and object.
Sir,
Sir,
yes,
first we will take
Sir,
a square bracket for array.
Take big bracket.
Yeah, so we will take one big bracket. Inside that, we will pass the data. So a student data, suppose that I want to hold name of the student, that's it. So a student data name, like, sorry, a student name, fine. So here we can pass the collection of all the name, like Raju,
comma.
Mohan,
Mohan,
Suhan.
SOHAN, Sohan, something. So this way. Now create object. Let
Console.
is
That object
uh,
object variable.
name equal to. Okay.
So
So how to,
curly
yeah, curly braces,
Curly braces, inside
and
it we take
after name
name,
colon
colon,
value.
will pass
value,
value.
Check.
So Ramu,
comma,
comma,
comma, take another name, name one.
okay. Now see the issue. If you taking that means
Name
again
one.
same variable Mohan, it will give you error.
Yes, it will give, sir.
Let's
So
see.
take name
That,
one.
yeah, 1 second. STUD. Both are okay. Fine. Let's see what happened. It given Mohan
Sir, second
and where is
second
Mohan
one.
and okay. It not given both. See what happened. It got override. We getting only one value, correct? But we not want like that. We want name 2. Let's save. So we got a 2 value, correct? So this way we can create object and array. What is difference in both case? Difference in both case that array is the numbered index, correct? The position of each value, this one, and this one, like 0, 1, 2. We can access the data with the help of 0, 1, 2. Means we will pass the position in the sense index, not the position. And in the case of object, we will pass a key and we will get the value, correct? So object is known as a key named. We can tell like that. A key named means a data collection, you can tell. But in the object, in the array, what is this one? Numbered index. Means here you can tell named index, and here that is numbered index. So whenever requirement, like there is no any compulsory that you have to pass something key or value something, you can go without that itself. Means directly you can pass the data. Got it? Then we had a looked over which one? Recording is going on, correct? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
then we had seen how to means how to add means a object inside array, then inside object, then array, like that. Means manipulating, nesting array in object, object in array, like that. And we had looked over that how we can access the data, correct? So up to there, anyone having any issue, let me know.
Sir,
Yeah.
in array we insert like a pass when index and pass some value. We are inserting inside the array what value we want. But
Yeah.
that type we can insert in object case, sir.
Yeah, there also we will, when we will look over the object. Now we had not covered the object topic. We had
Yeah,
covered just basics of the object.
Okay.
Whatever we had learned still, that was just basics, you can tell. Because as array, during starting itself, we had looked some examples on array. But now we are going in deep of that, correct? So same thing in object. We will look over the object, how to create object, how to manipulate, how to delete, everything. So let's create one variable, array car data, and equal to, give some array data, pass value, tell me some car name, who have a car.
Alto Safari.
Alto means Abhishek have this much. SAFARI, Safari. Fine. Let's log the data. Console.log and
Car data.
car data. Here we had written something. Car data. Fine. Let's save and check. We got the data. Yeah, we got that. Fine. Next. Why this coming? Okay. Yeah. So what we want to check the length. How much length means how many data are there. So what is the property of checking the length of a string? How to check length?
Car data.
Car data.
So car data dot length. Fine. Yeah. So write that length property and let's see how much you got. 3. Correct. But we getting 3. But what about the numbering of this one? 0, 1, 2. Why? What is this one? 0, 1, 2?
It is index.
Sir,
Index.
0, 1, 2 is index wise.
That is index, correct? So with the
Okay.
help of index, we can access that particular data, correct? How to access the particular data? Now tell me. I want that last one.
Pass the bracket, big bracket.
Big bracket.
Yeah. Pass the 3.
3. Who telling it is correct or wrong?
Sir, 2, sir.
Sir, it's wrong.
Sir, we can take two, sir. 0, 1, 2
On
only.
third position, is any data
There is
available?
no data. Yeah.
Sir,
Okay,
data.
okay,
See
sorry,
that
sir. Yeah, so, yeah.
we
0
got
to 1.
undefined. So we
0.
will pass a 2. Fine. We got the last data. Okay. Yeah. So we got the 3 data. But why it's showing 3? Because the length. Got it? Due to the length, we getting the 3. The length property. So how we can check the length? With the help of a length property. Fine. So array and that string. In both cases, we can check length with the help of length property itself. Got it? Next, you have to sort the data. What is the meaning of sort? Sort in the sense, what you getting from the term sorting? Any idea in the mathematics? Had you seen ascending order and descending order?
Sir, arranging data in a proper manner,
Some
means
manner.
like ascending order,
Yeah.
descending order.
Yeah. So
That
some
is
manner
sorting.
as per our requirement. So one method is there for arranging the data. Fine. So how to arrange the data? Check the method. Method name is sort. Okay. So how we will pass? We will pass like a car data. So do one thing. Maybe you will think that only we can pass like this way. Let sort data equal to Abhishek. What is this one? Sort data. We written that.
Yes, sir. This is array,
That is
sir.
what?
Variable name.
Variable.
That is variable name. Okay. So car
Yes.
data dot sort. Here we will pass the sort method. So let's see whether after sort parenthesis is required or not. So do one thing. Put cursor and check whether it's a method or property. So if this will be method, sure parenthesis will be required. So see here, method is there. That's fine. Let's see. Here it's showing array. What is our array name?
Short
What is
data.
our no?
Sir, array is
Our
Array.
array name. What is array name?
Car data.
Car data.
Give me 1 second. Let me take water. Actually, that car data is the array name. So that's why here it's showing array, and then within that less than and bracket, then less than and bracket, greater than. Sorry, less than and greater than. There it's showing a string. Okay, because you can pass any type of array. That's why it's showing that array type. Array means array is of a string type. Next, because we had passed a car data, and car data containing all the string data. That is the thing. Next. Yeah. So next, after this, what is written? Dot sort. Correct. And after that, parenthesis has started, and something is written there. What we had discussed regarding this interrogative sign. We had told something regarding this interrogative. What is that one? Can anyone?
Compare function, sir. Where we passing this what simple and the
Compare not that I think optional.
Yes, sir.
Yes, optional.
It may be, it may not be.
Yeah, it's not compulsory that you have to pass.
Yes,
Okay, so let's say do this one, and let's check whether we getting that our data or not. So what is that? Is so RT sort data. So I want some proper information also. So sorting of data, pass comma and save. Say you second, where is the car data? Hello, car data is
Yes, sir.
there. LW and Safari. Just 1 second. Pass here. Now see. Tell me what changes you observed here.
sir
In both.
alphabetical sorting, sir.
This is my sorting data after sort, and this is my original data. There is no any sorting concept here. Okay, but it's showing like that. But see that BMW, Alto, Safari on see our screen code side. BMW first, then Alto, then Safari means letter B first, then A letter, starting letter. A letter will be second, then S letter is third. But after sorting, when we had sorted, let's see, A become the first, B become the second, and S become the last. Got it? What it had happened? It arranged in the proper manner, like ascending order. You can tell that. Clear? So this way we can sort the data, and we will get more things slowly bit. So length property we seen that already. How to check the length with the help of a length. Correct. Second, accessing the first array element. How to get a first array element? Tell me. How to access first array element?
Card
Before
data.
putting a
Inside big bracket, we can add 0.
We can pass a 0.
Yes.
Let's see. So car data. After that this one, then 0. Correct. Let's save and see. We got the first one. How to get the last one? Last value.
length minus 1. Sir.
Access
Data dot
length
length
minus 1. Correct. So always we will go with the length minus 1 property. Don't go with means hard coded value. In place of that, always we will try length minus 1. So console.log. See, these all are very important. Means once we will move in the programming side, that time you will realize it too much. It's too important. So car data, how to pass that length minus 1?
Sir, console.log
Okay, it's written already. Next,
car
car
data
data
dot
Dot length minus 1.
dot length minus 1. Correct.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
One
Sir.
second, Roshan and Abhishek. 1 second, Sweta. Roshan and Abhishek, you both told that car data dot length minus 1. What you will get output? What is this car data dot length? What is the value? Car data dot length. What is the value? Car data dot length. What you will get?
Sir,
What is the
Safari
length?
I want, sir.
You will get
All
Safari.
data.
Car data dot length minus 1. Fine. Correct. So see, you had told car data dot length. It will give you the length of the array as like this line. See, line number 5. It will give you length. What is the length of the array? 3.
3, sir.
Correct. And you telling minus 1. What will be the value? It
2.
will give you 2. Correct.
Yes.
Let's save and verify. You got 2. Correct. What we want? We want that last data. If suppose you have to hard code the value 2, how you will get?
Sir, in bracket.
Within
Card
bracket,
data.
we will pass that 2 here.
One paste here, sir. Paste that, sir.
Correct. Yeah. 1 second. Correct or not, Roshan?
Yes, sir.
We will pass like this. What we want? In place of 2, we will pass hard coded means dynamic value. So like this way. Car data dot length minus 1. Let's see. Had we got same output? Safari.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Means
Got it.
whatever process you doing, you can do the same thing, but where you will apply, you have to follow the same scenario as like we are doing hard coded value. Got it? So this way we can access last value of the array. Okay. Any issue? Anyone having that how to get last value of array? Tell me. Don't take a looping now. Remove that for each. Then adding an array. This one. Just 1 second. Don't take this. one thing, remove this itself completely. Yeah, so array element. Yeah, so how to add element in the array? Tell me. If we have to add element in array, yesterday we had seen that if now there are total 4 data, I'm sorry, 3 data. We want the 4th value. How to pass? How to pass a 4th value? Let anyone?
So
How to
let
pass 4th value?
data,
Let
car data
car data.
is equal to array syntax,
Okay.
and given sir for BMW, Alto, Safari, and Hyundai, 4
Oh,
value.
means a 4th value.
Yes, sir.
Correct. But why you going to create one new array for 4th value? Sweta, how we can pass 4th value? Shivani Kumari, Praful, send your answer. How to create means how to add. See, I will tell one thing. Whatever we are discussing now, already these all things we had discussed yesterday. Okay, there are not a new things. Can anyone tell me what are the new in these things?
Outside the array we take.
Only sorting we had learned new. Still, whatever we know, it's from yesterday class itself. Yeah. So this is not correct. Remove this.
Sir,
At the array we take car data and pass 4 value.
Car data. Pass that
Big bracket
4th.
4.
we can add 4.
No, don't
Three, sir.
go with the 3rd because the 3rd having not value.
Yeah.
Correct. And
Yes.
equal to. And we will pass the value. AUDI. Is this correct? Let it to be whatever. No, this is not correct. AUDI. AUDI. Now see, let's check the console of the data. Let's see. Let's save and let's see. We got here only 3 value because we accessing the data here and console the same thing here. And let's see. You got here 4 value. Got it?
Okay.
Means 4 value. Can you tell me why we got in the first line 3 value, this one, and in the last line we getting 4
Because
value?
of line by line execution.
Yeah. So this line up to here, this array having only 3 data. Correct? But when it came here, we added one more data. That's why it become 4th value. And see, if we want, we can take a const. It's not the issue. Abhishek, same thing. Abhishek, you had practiced this thing itself in the means daytime.
Yes, sir.
But you had not spoken the answer. So see, we taken a const, correct? And what we done? We have taken one array, and now we are just pushing the new value, correct? We not going to modify. But if you will modify this array itself, you will get the error. Copy this and pass here and pass something like empty array. Means now you telling that I want array like this type, you will get error. Why? Because you are trying to redeclare that. See this, the word declared means already this one time it get declared and you trying to declare again. That's why you getting error. But you want to from here, what you doing? You changing the value. You assigning that new value. You can do that. You are manipulating that. But you are manipulating where? With the old data itself. You're not manipulating with any new data. That's why here we not getting error. But when we doing anything in the new, we getting the error. Fine. But one thing is there. This process, by this we have to pass which value? Okay, let me do one thing. I want to add one data and always the data should be in the last. How to add that? In place of this, we had passed that data in on the third, means a third position. I wanted to add data always in the last position. How to pass that? Can anyone tell me?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
car
Inside.
data.
1 second, go one by one. Yeah, let's Sweta tell.
car data,
car data.
big bracket,
Okay.
inside
Inside
length minus 1, short length
length
minus
minus 1. So car data
length
dot length
minus,
minus 1.
yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
and here pass any value like Tata, anything.
Toyota, sir.
Toyota. See, always write in your budget. Don't write anything. TOYOTA. You have budget this much. Okay, fine. Abhishek have budget this much, this 3. We have budget only 1. Okay. What happened? Your Toyota override the Safari. What happened this one? Where is the Safari? Sweta, what you done? What is the mistake? Whatever we had written, why that Toyota got on the third position, means on the last one. What I want, we have 3 value, correct?
So
We
remove
want,
-1.
yeah, so remove -1. Now the length is 3. Your length is 3, but what is the last position value? 2,
Oh,
correct? So according to length, you will always get a length. Length will be 1 more than your index value, always. Because if length is 3, index will be 2. If length is 4, index will 3. If length is 5, index will 4. Means always 1 back. Got it? There will be 1 difference. So whenever you will pass a car data dot length, automatic it will keep that data in the last position. Let's save. Got it?
yes, sir.
Clear? Suppose that here I passing some data and pass anything. Car itself, let it to be. So now see what is the length of this one. What is length? Length is 4.
4.
Correct? And
Total
what is in?
is 4.
Last
So
value
what is
3.
the last index value now?
3, sir.
3. Have you seen the difference?
Yes, sir.
Length and the last index always in the difference of 1. Correct? So that's why we passed the last index. So automatic it will place your data on the 4th position. Save. See that. Automatic you got. So this is the correct way of placing the data. Never try to hard code your value by that 0, 1, 2, 3. Always go with like this way. So if you have to access your last value, how you will get? Length -1, because length is 5, but last value position is 4. So length -1. If you have to add data always in the last position, go on the length, because length is 5 and data is up to 4th position only. So next data will be on the 5th index. So always we will go with the length. Clear up to here, or anyone having any issue? Clear? Sweta, Abhishek, Shivani, Roshan, Praful, Afroz, Dharmender.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it,
Okay.
sir.
Just keep note that whenever you have to add data on the last, always means whenever we want to keep data on the last, what we will do? We will use the length property. But when we want to access the data from the last, means last index, we will go with the length -1. Okay, fine. Next, adding array element. Just now what we had seen for adding array element, we had gone like this way. Correct? We had added that car data equal to 3 like this way, or even we had gone like this way. What it is going to do? It adding the data, but there is problem. I want means now which side this data will add always? Is this will starting or last? Which side?
So this is last.
Last, because length -1 always you will get like 4th, 5th, 6th. Never you will get 0, 1, means on the first position. Correct? But what I want to add data. Maybe there is requirement for adding starting position, or maybe requirement of adding data on the last position. So how we can do that? So with the help of by default method push and pop. Okay, so let's see what is that push and pop method. What you getting from the term push and pop? Means in the English word,
Like
not in the
like
technical.
pusher, like a code push when we pushing the code.
Yeah.
That,
So see,
that
that not means real itself. When we are pushing the code, we are inserting our code on our GitHub. But when we are pulling the code, we are trying to get code from GitHub to our local machine. Pull means to take anything toward our side. Okay. Push means you are exerting force to means insert something like that. So let's check. Okay. So what is written here? Now tell me. Can anyone tell by this line of code something what you getting? What you getting from this slide?
sir, it's pushing in last index, sir.
Okay, so it means it telling like something that it will push the code, means it will push which lemon, where it will push the dot.
Sir, in the sir after apple, sir, I think.
Okay, let it to be. But from this line sentence, what we getting that it going to push means it will add data. Correct? Let's see. Log roots. Okay, so see what we had done. We created one array, and inside array we wanted to add some another fruit. So what is we will write? Do one thing. Let. So how to add the data? Normally, fruit means we will take the array, and inside array we will pass like this way. Correct? And we had done that length property and equal to pass that lemon. Let's save. We got that. So lemon is there. Let's comment this line also. Lemon is there. Fine. So we got the data, and where lemon? Lemon becomes on the first position. It's showing first. What mistake be done? Length. Oh, sorry. We had coded that. Fruits dot length. Yeah. So that. So lemon came on the last position. Correct. Do now the default method. Let's comment. Save. So how we will do? We will apply as like a length. So where we will applying length? How do we applying length? First we by taking a string or array. So take array. What is the array? Fruits dot. Let's see what methods we getting here. So push on the top itself. So push method inside this you have to pass what you want to push. I wanted to add one new fruit whose name is a lemon. Add that. Okay, and save. What happened? Had you got that lemon? Lemon is coming there. Correct? Means where the data is in the last position. Correct? Now I want to add one more fruit.
Sir.
Fruit. Yeah. Fruit
Sir,
dot.
why that defaultly that data is going to at last position?
We will come later. Don't worry. So where next day? First, just see. When we will come there, then you will get. So now I want to add one more fruit like banana, orange, apple, lemon, something. Tell me. Watermelon. MELON. Watermelon. Let's save. What happened? Where is the watermelon? Watermelon came in the last one. Correct? So whatever data we are passing, it coming in last. Do one thing. If we will take this, means we will cut this from here. If we will change the position, what you thinking? Still after that also it will be like same position or what? Watermelon will be still on the last or it will come before that?
No, sir. Before lemon is last.
Lemon will be last. Watermelon will be means before that. Let's see.
So line by line.
Yeah, line by line execution. So see, watermelon came first, then lemon is the second. Correct? And same thing we had done how? Now we are using the push method. Correct? We had done the same thing with the help of this type. Correct or not? This line,
Yes, sir.
we had done the same thing. Let's just check that. Save. And we got lemon here. Then we want one more data. Copy this line, pass again, and take that water, MELON, melon, save. Where is the data? We got on the last lemon, then watermelon, because automatic it's taking the fruits dot length. It automatic taking that length value and then it's a pushing. So by this way also we can go for the pushing the data, and by this way also we can add the data. Means both are the ways of adding the data, but sure some differences are there. So we will look over that. Just wait. So anyone having any issue how we can add the data? And one thing, take care, write down somewhere if you want. Adding the data will add always push method. Push method always it will add data in the last. Okay, means always in the last position of your array. So write down this is important. We will come on that why it means why not. If we want on the first position and then last position, then how it will be. You can think that why it's always adding in the last. Can anyone tell me why it adding on the last? What here it's working? What scenario?
Sir, because it's going sequentially, sir. Because you not decide where you want to push.
That's okay, fine. Means you can tell like this or not. This both line is
Yeah,
equal
sir.
or not.
Yeah, equal,
Correct?
sir.
So Samir, this is your answer. Why it going always in last? Means in internally, sure he had added code like this. Fruits dot length. Means it always taking the length, and due to that it putting your data in the last position always. So push method always add the data in the last position. Got it? Means last index. And why he doing? You have to check that complete implementation of push method. So let's see it opening the file library. Check that what its push method is going to do. So it's pushing data, it taking the all the data in the number form, concatenate, join, combine to this method return new array without modify any existing array. Okay, item additional Shishna. Okay, yeah, this line is important. Let's copy this line. See, this is library. Here you can get all the detail regarding that one. We got one line actually. I want this one. So see, where you had got this term actually? Can anyone tell me? Previously we had seen this line. This method returns a new array without modifying any existing array. Same thing we had discussed somewhere previously. Tell me where? No idea.
In array.
Strings,
No. In a string where? In the case of a string method, we had discussed
where we
slice,
we
comma,
using
substring, comma,
substring,
substr. In these
substr.
all, we had told that what we had told, it will create the new array and it will return. Correct? Same thing. It's telling the information here regarding that creating new or not. So this method returns a new array without modifying any existing array. Means whatever array existing one, it will not modify that one. It will give you new array. Got it? This thing you have to keep in mind. Please take care. Okay. Where is that? Yeah. Do one thing. I want to do one operation. Wait. See, this is important thing. Okay. Don't take lightly. I had attended one interview. In interview, they asked this thing too much. It is returning new array, or it will add existing one, modifying this, that. What he had asked, I get confused. Fruits. New fruits data. Company name who had asked, the company name was Q Burst. Kerala, that was a company of Kerala, Chennai, Bangalore in India. Outside that was Canada, Japan, everywhere that was. So see. See, whatever we are learning now, okay. Per day class is based on the interview preparation. Don't think that we will learn separately for interview process, is that all data. Let's see. What are you getting from this both? Tell me. See what I done. I written console.log push data. Okay. And there we had written new fruit data. And what is new fruit data? New fruit data is the fruits.push method. Correct. And in case of this line, all data, we returning just fruits. Correct. Let's increase this. You will get some clarity. Look over the code here. What you getting? Be getting. So when you pushing the data, it is returning what? 4. Means what it returning actually? Any idea? What data we had pushed?
Watermelon.
Watermelon, correct? And where the watermelon got added, on which position?
3 number.
3.
3 number. Okay. But why given 4? Means what is that one actually? Is that the length of that?
Starting with 0, sir.
Starting with 0. So what it given actually then? Fruits dot push. What it given? It given like length of the
Whole
array
length.
or what? So I think it given a whole length, correct or not? Because watermelon is not available on the 4th position. Watermelon is available on the 3rd position. Correct. What are you thinking? I have doubt. That's why I given this question. That what it is going to do, that's just 1 second. Water pineapple. Now be doing fruits data 1 and let's copy fruits data 1. Let's save. What we got? See, in case of new fruit data, we got a push data equal to 4. Correct. In the second, we got a new data, new fruit data 1. In that case, we got a value as 5. What it was doing actually then? Maybe I think now you got something clear picture. Because when we had pushed this data, watermelon, up to watermelon case, the data length will be 4 only. Comment this line. See that. What is the length? Length is 4. See this picture, complete picture, it's showing that 4. And length itself is 4. So be getting the data, whatever it's showing, that means whatever it's pushing, and after pushing it returning, that returning the length value. Let's just verify one time. Wait. After push in array, what it This is not in the material, okay? See, array dot push. First bad idea, change the behavior built in break, okay? Thanks for catch up. Second, you could change array dot prototype dot push array. Beside, you can also just push onto array if it need array dot length. Who removed me? Array dot length, or could you just store it an intermediate dot push? Okay, that is you can get the return value of muted array when you instead added this one concatenate adding new array at item concatenate. I don't know what it returning. I think that a position it will return. I have to check in Google. Just to do one thing, just search from your end. I will also search what it will return when we will write a code like this way, like a fruits dot push. So what it returning, whether it's returning the position of that value or it returning the length of the array. Got my question? Everyone, just search from your end. I will also search in Google, okay? That
It's
when we
returning
writing like
length, sir.
what? Dharmender?
Length, sir.
Length itself.
Length, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
sir.
also thinking that it returning length itself. But let's say just one time when you free, just Google that. Okay, what it will return. Just let's see. So see, whenever we had written the code like this, pushed, it returning something. So it returning whatever return value it is stored inside this variable. And when we checking that in console, it giving you the length of the array. So let's do one more. Add the value and uncomment this line. So let's see now. One more field got added. Length of the array become 5 and it is returning the 5 value there in the push data. So in interview, they are asking what your method will return. Push means array dot push method, what it will return. So it will return you the length of the array. But what if you going to push the data like where? Yeah, so fruits dot push, you had pushed the data and now we are accessing the complete array, this fruit itself. So what you will get? You will get all the data, means after pushed, whatever we had pushed here, we will get all the data because we are accessing the complete fruit. Got it? Clear? Two things we had discussed. When you writing like this way, fruits dot push, what it will return. Okay. And when we write means after pushing, when we accessing the complete array, what it will return. So when we accessing the complete array, we will get all the array with new data. All new data will be involved there. But when we just pushing, it will give you, it will return the position, means you can tell length. Clear? Or anyone having doubt? Tell me. I will write one line here. Let's do this. Here I will write. What is the fruit name? Any fruit? ORANGE, orange. Let's save. See now what we got. Line number 38. See, in line number 38, we got 6. Why? Because it returned the position, means length. Because now the length of the array becomes 6. 6 is there. So when we pushing new array, it returning the position. You can tell the length of the new array itself. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt? That how the push method is working. Two things we have learned. One, when we pushing the data, what it returning. When you accessing the data after push, what it doing, means what it returning. So after pushing, we getting the all the data, all new data and old data both. But when you pushing the data, it returning you the length of the array. Fine or not? So let's see next. Hope I think that you got the idea. So let's see. So here what we doing? Fruits dot means fruit is there, we had added the element with the help of push method. Fine. We added the element with the help of length method also. It's also same thing. One thing. So where they all had added the data, whatever the position in push method, it added data always in the first or last what?
Last
There.
Last
Last position. POSITION position. And one point we had learned here more. What was that? Sorry. Push method. What we had discussed. Push method will return what? Push method will return length of
Length, sir.
new array. Correct? Length of new array. And we had seen one thing. After pushing, if we will access the array, what we will get? We will get
data.
new array data. Correct? New array data along with old and pushed. Means new data. Got it? Clear? So when you pushing the data, be getting this thing. Hope you got the idea. Fine. So this way we can push the data, we can get the data. Fine. So new element can also be added in the array using the length property. We already seen that how to add the data with the help of length property. But warning is there. What is the warning? Adding element with high index can create undefined holes in the array. Means what I told, never go with the hard coded value. Suppose that if you done like this, and suppose what is the total value here? Total 2 means the position is 2, and what position value now? It's a passing
6.
6. What about the 3, 4, 5 means pending?
Undefined.
Undefined. So that is the main thing here. It will create a holes. Got it? That is written there. Create undefined holes in the fruit. Okay, so never we will pass like this way. Yeah, so what is the best practice? Tell me, what is the best practice of passing?
Always go with length minus length. Sir. Always go with length.
Here it's showing,
where is he using
here it's showing 7, and in place of 7, 0, 1, 2. After that 3, 4, 5 is not there. Directly 6 means this much holes are there, undefined, empty value. It taking the space because it is empty. Then also it will take some memory, something. So that's not a good practice. So we can always go with a last one. Like we already seen length. Correct. We can go with length. It will automate. Sorry, length minus 1. Oh, sorry. Array actually. Array dot length. Okay. It will always pass the value. It will always keep in the last, and it will not give you any holes there. Clear? Or anyone having any doubt?
Sir, please
Now.
one time again, sir.
Okay, 1 second. So see what we had done. Now we gone with the length property. So length property, so all data will be keep means next to one another. Correct or not?
Yes.
Already we have
Correct, sir.
3 data. Now this will automatically placed on the last one. New data means again one more data. New position like that. It will go one next to each other. But if you hard coding here some value, if you hard coding that like 6, now tell me where this will go?
Yes, sir.
It came somewhere, total 6, correct? Position, see. Position total is 6. What were the data? Each data is available in third, fourth, fifth position.
Not defined, sir, that time.
Not defined? Not defined
No,
itself.
sir.
That is empty. Data itself is not there. Correct. So that is not the best practice. So that's why we will not go like that. It will make holes. As like holes anywhere. That's the thing. So don't go like this way. So that is not the best practice. Okay. So always we will go with 1 second.
Length.
LWAYS. Always follow length. You can write a length option. Okay. So always we go with the length option. Clear, Abhishek, or not?
Clear. Clear.
Means don't pass a hard coded value. That's simple. Don't pass a hard coded value. Vani, you have to take dinner. Or you are on fasting. I think Shivani Sinha is on fasting. Shivani, you are on fasting.
No, sir.
Yesterday you had told that you are on fasting.
एक ही दिन ना, हर दिन थोड़ी.
अरे फास्टिंग का मतलब 2-3 दिन होना चाहिए ना, एक दिन में थोड़ी मजा आता है.
हमको नहीं लेना मजा. सेटिस्फाइड एक ही से.
कितने बजे जाना है लाने खाना?
15 मिनट बाद.
ओके ठीक है, तब तक देख लेते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज एसोसिएटिव एरे. सो नाउ सी व्हाट वी हैड डन. वी हैड लुक्ड ओवर हाउ टू गेट डेटा, स्टार्टिंग, ending, then how to push method is working, what is difference with push method, and if we passing any numbered value like 6, 5, 8 something, if we passing our particular position value, so what is the demerit in that case. Second, what we had seen that if we writing push method, then what it returning. So what it was returning, push method, what push method was returning?
The last value.
Length and last value.
Length. Okay, it was not returning the last value. Please keep in mind. Okay, next is associative array. What are you getting from the term associative? What are you getting from associative? लग रहा है एनर्जी खत्म हो गया सबका.
No idea,
Okay.
sir.
Associative array, associative in the sense, go through the means this whatever written here. Many programming languages support array with named index. Okay, arrays with named index are called associative array or hashes. Means who is the named index? Still we had learned who was the named index. Any idea?
Object have a name.
Object having named index. So what it telling, associative array, arrays with a named index are called associative array or hashes. But JavaScript does not support array with a named index. Fine. So in JavaScript, array always are numbered index. We had to learn this thing or not? Arrays are always numbered index. Yesterday we had discussed. We had discussed or not? Please confirm me.
Yes, sir.
So we had discussed that. And the next object. So object is the numbered index. So array not support, it means in JavaScript the array is not supporting the named index. Fine. So let's see what we going to do. Const person equal to something. What you had passed? Const 0 means person 0 equal to John. Then person 1 something, then 2, then something is written. What it will return? Let me construct this. See, these all are very simple. Okay, so please just speak fast. What you will get the output? Tell me. Output one by one. What are you doing here? Line by line number 51.
Sir
What is
John.
it going to do?
Sir John, we
Line
take
number 50
one value.
line number
We
51.
take
What is
one
going to do?
variable
Okay.
variable const and take a variable name person and take array.
Okay.
And in line number 52, we pass the value of array means position, 0th position,
Shivani.
1 position.
शिवानी, खाना 15 मिनट के बाद मिलेगा, देर से भी जा सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है, मैं समझ रहा हूँ। आराम से आराम से आराम से, एक लाइन से आप पूरा आंसर बता दे रहे हैं, आराम से, सब्जी खत्म नहीं होगा, टेंशन मत लीजिए, मिलेगा।
सर ये सब धर्मेंद्र के संगति का असर है।
हाँ सही है।
सर
समीर का तो आवाज लुल हो गया। रुक जा, भूख लग गया है तुमको, डिनर खाएगा।
कहाँ आवाज रुक गया है, आवाज नहीं सुन रहा आपको?
तुम तो टावर पे बैठ गए हो इसीलिए। 8:30 में ब्रेक मिलेगा। ओके, we have 8 minutes. Within 8 minutes I will cover two methods. Just wait. 8:30. So see what we had done here.
जान खा जाइए आप।
कोई इसे बाहर निकालो। कहाँ गया ये?
सर धर्मेंद्र के साथ है।
कोई बात। अच्छा धर्मेंद्र, मतलब धर्मेंद्र, अफरोज और समीर, मतलब हाँ समीर, ये 3 मेंबर एक साथ हैं। वाह, सही है। सब के सब हमारे पास नहीं समझ में आ गया, हमारे पास कंजूसों की टोली है।
डाटा सेविंग।
इधर शिवानी बोलेगी कि मेरा और शिवानी कुमारी एक साथ हम लोग हैं। सही है।
नो सर।
सर उधर महाराष्ट्र वाले बोलेंगे सर हम दोनों एक साथ हैं। ओके, सो लेट्स सी what we had done here. We created one array.
Unity.
Correct. So here we created one array, empty array. Okay, and after that we passing the value one by one. So here we pass the value person 0, means on the 0th index we had passed one value. In the person 1 on and the first index we pass something. Then person 2 means position 2, index 2. On second index we pass some value. It's fine. What is the person length? That Abhishek, what is person length? Afroz, what is person 0?
So person length is a total 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sir.
4, correct.
4, sir.
How that is 4, Abhishek?
4 how?
No, sir. 3. Sorry. 3. Last is 2 and okay, sir.
This is night in the sense
1,
you will not
2,
tell anything.
3, only 3.
Abhishek, I know this is night time, means not anything you will speak. Okay, Afroz, what is person 0? What is the value?
Sir 3, sir.
मैं जो सोच रहा था वो उल्टा हो रहा है, मुझे लगा ये 3 है तो आंसर सब बोल दे रहे होंगे। हाँ वही, मुझे लगा कि ये 3 है, आंसर सोच रहे होंगे कि अच्छा पर्सन 0 ये होगा, ये सही बताएगा, लेकिन ये तो और उल्टा बोल दिया। पर्सन 0 इज जॉन। लेट्स सी। तो बी गॉट
सिखाने के बावजूद भी गलत ही बोल दिया।
वो मुझे पता था भाई। मुझे लगा कि आंसर सही बोलेगा क्योंकि वहां पे 3 महारथी हैं। पता चलता है लो ऐसा आंसर बताया कि छोड़ो अब क्या बोले।
सर मैंने लेन से बोला था।
आप हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं क्या?
कौन हम? ना हम तो जावा स्क्रिप्ट बोल रहे हैं।
में श्वेता भी है।
कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
छूटा क्या तुम्हारा?
श्वेता समझ, श्वेता हिंदी सीख गई है।
हमारे इंटरवल टॉक को ना माइंड नहीं करती है।
या लिटिल बिट सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, slowly she will got. Okay, so next, what is difference between array and object? This came third time From yesterday we had
In array
discussed.
we use numbered index. In object we use named index.
Yeah. So see, it's written here, Shivani. See this line.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this thing we start means discussing from yesterday itself. So array is the numbered index, fine, and object is the named index. Anyone having issue in this one? If you have issue, I will not tell. That is the thing. Arrays are a special kind of object with a numbered index. What is array? It is also the object, but what is the indexing of that? That is number. Anyone having issue? Tell me first in this thing.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Next question. When to use array and when to use object? The most complicated question yesterday that happened this one. Yeah.
Sir,
Yesterday that
sir, when
Abhishek had asked. Yeah, tell me.
so, sir, when we use a go to with the array, sir, we giving a one variable array, one variable name and giving array syntax and giving more value. Array hold one or more values.
Okay.
And after in object case, in giving object name and pass key and
Key and value.
after key and value.
Correct. So whenever there is a requirement like we can go with the key value something, then we will go with the key and value means object. If there is no requirement, we can go directly. Fine. Next, JavaScript does not support associative array. What is the associative array? Tell me now. Just now we had seen on the top. Shivani Kumari, don't tell now that we don't know. Just now we had discussed. Anyone who can tell?
Yes, sir.
From this
Yes,
way,
sir.
we can easily
Sir, array
identify
जिसमें
that.
named index होता है. Array with named index, sir, is called
array.
associative index. Array.
So array with a named index.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Sweta. This sentence array with a named index. Then what type of array we are using right now?
Array. Sir?
Arrays with yeah. Which
Associative
type
array.
of no we are now this is written array with a named index that is known as associative array. So what
Yes.
type of array we are using right now? Anyone? What type of array we are?
Number, sir.
Mix,
Number
mix,
Number
and
index,
name.
correct?
Index, sir.
mix
No. In
Mix,
array
sir.
we are not using. In array we are not using named. Correct or not? We are whatever we had seen right now. These all are going with the numbered index only. Named index in the sense object. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Clear or not, Sweta and
Yes,
others? Okay. So now your subject use object. You should use object when you want to the element name to be a string. Means whenever you required like element name to be a string, you can go with the object. But when you thinking you should use array when you want the element name to be number. Means when you want element name to be number, you can go with the array. Even you want element name to be means element element name to be a string, you can go with the object, because in object we are passing key value, so we can go with that. In the case of array, we want a number, means like 0 1 2 3 index value, so we can go with index 1. Clear? So this is that final concept of what is the difference between array and object. When to use array, when to use object. Got it? What is that next? Just give me 1 minute only. So again the new array concept came. as like
Sir,
whatever we have.
sir, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, one time repeat, sir, object and array. What is the use?
See, if you want something like a numbered index, okay, numbered index possibility means you not want like name, age, like that type of key and pair, key and value. So if you want just number index like a 0, 1, 2, 3, like this way, you can go with the array. Because in array, what we are doing, we are passing 0, 1, 2, 3. See, the John means John is written there. Okay, John have the address. We are accessing the John by their name itself. So what is the means key itself? What is the key for John? Can you guess something? For John, 0 is the
Yes, sir.
key.
Zero,
Key.
sir.
Correct or not? 0 is the key. But in case of a string one, like object concept, what we will write? We will write object and inside we will pass a name colon Mohan. So what is the key for this? Name is the key.
Name, sir.
Correct. We
Yes,
can
sir.
access with the help of name. So whenever their requirement that key should be a string type, means object. Correct. Key is a string type, it become object. And when the key is number type, it become array. Got it? Key is number type, this become array. Key is a string type, it become object. Clear, Praful?
Yeah, sir. Clear.
So one more concept, that is a new array. As like a string number everywhere we had seen, here also you can create the array with a new keyword. Same thing. So JavaScript has a built-in array constructor, new array. Okay, that is like a constructor. It's going to create the new. It will create the new array. But you can use a square bracket instead, as like in a string, in a number, everywhere we had told no need to create the new string, new number. So same thing, we will not create here a new array. It's not good process because it is going to slow down your execution process. Okay, so that's not good. So we will just simply write this empty space itself. Like here you can see this line, const person equal to empty. That's it. So that type itself we can go and carry on that one. So but you can safely use a square bracket instead. There are a different statement, both create a empty array named point, like point equal to new array and point equal to a square bracket. These two different statement both create a new array containing 6 number. See, in both case, what it going to do? New array also they had passed some data, and in normal also they had passed some data. Both are going to do the same thing, but we never try to use the new keyword. Okay, we will directly go with that normal. That's no need, not compulsory, that one. The new keyword can produce some unexpected result. Create an array with the 3 elements, something is there. Then create an array with 2 elements, create array with 1 element. A common error, const points equal to 40. What is error in this case? Is there any error? Okay. Yeah, we had already, no, this is not error, but one thing we had already checked in the case of a string number, that if you writing let number equal to something and let number equal to new number, both was equal or not? If you creating here const point equal to 40 and what is telling equal?
In double equal, it show true, sir. In triple equal, it show false, sir.
Yeah, so triple equal, it's showing false because both are not equal in that scenario. Correct? But both will contain the same value, 40 itself.
Yes, sir.
Now, so create an array with 1 element. Just you can pass it directly something value. That's fine. Create an array with 40 undefined element. Means some value it parts, let it to be. So how to recognize an array? How to recognize? Just a simple example, means a simple question. You can tell that with the help of a type of operator. Correct? But we had already seen that what are the issue. When we going with the type operator, what it returning? Type of object array. Object. See that? See this line.
Because instant.
Correct. The type of operator return object because JavaScript array is an object. Correct. So to solve this problem, what it came in the market means in the new ECMAScript to solve in this problem, ECMAScript 5 define new method array.isArray. Okay, and it will return you true or false. See, these all things we had already seen. Next, you can check the instance. The instance of operator return true if an object is created by a given constructor. Means with the help of that itself, constructor in the sense it going to construct a new one. Okay, like here const fruits equal to something be taken here, banana, apple, orange. What it going to check? Fruits instance of array. Means it will check that fruit is instance of array or not. So let tell me, is fruit array or not? Fruit is array or not?
No, sir. Fruit is array variable.
Correct. That's variable, but it is array type because of the symbol. Correct. So fruit is array, and now what we are checking? We are checking that is fruit instance of array. Instance means what? Instance in the sense it's like going to create means object itself. So
Child's type,
means
sir.
the means like a child, parent and child you can tell. So array is the parent on the top, and whatever you going to create, it will be like a instance. Say see. Suppose sorry, control. See, whatever we are discussing now, these all things we had discussed from starting itself. So const fruit equal to something we had taken. Next, we checking that fruits instance of array. So see, in interview question they are asking this thing actually. Okay, how to check instance, whether it is instance or not. So by this instance of, where is the problem? After so it given true. Correct. Okay, if fruits is instance of array, it's fine. What about person? Each person will be instance of array. What are you thinking?
Yes, sir.
Because the person is also array, so it will also give you that. Correct.
Yes, sir.
And what we can check? Let's say do one thing. Object. What it will give? Object instance of array. It's false because object is the on the parent, means object is on the top. But if you will check array, then I think it will give you answer. Array is instance of object. I don't know, but possibility that it will give true. So see, it true because object is on the top. Slowly parent is on the bottom. Because object is always on the top. So like console, document.get, alert, window, whatever we learned, all are the instance of object. Let's see. We got the alert is also instance. We know that console.log. Correct. Otherwise document.get element by ID. Right document. Let's see. We got true. Why? Because object is on the parent, on the top. You can tell like object is grandfather and these all are like children. Got it? This way we can check the instance. JavaScript array method converting array to a string. Okay. So now you can take break. When you will return back, tell me. We will start the array method. Let me stop recording.